Are you a web developer who is looking for a remote job? If so, you're in luck. There are a number of websites that can help you find a job or find out about new opportunities in web development. In this video, you will learn about the 5 best remote job websites for web developers. So let's start and keep watching. Number 1. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the best websites to find jobs as a web developer. It has an extensive database of job openings, and you can filter by your location and skill set. You can also create a profile on LinkedIn to increase your chances of getting hired. If you're a web developer looking for your next professional job, look no further than LinkedIn.com. The site is packed with job listings from some of the world's top companies. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Tip number 1. Start by creating a profile that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to list any programming languages or platforms you know how to work with. Tip number 2. Use the search bar on the top of the page to find jobs that match your skill set and interests. Tip number 3. Once you've found a job listing that looks interesting, read through the description carefully and be prepared to answer questions like why are you interested in this position. Finally, don't forget to apply. A well-crafted cover letter can set you apart from other candidates. Number 2. Upwork. Upwork.com is a great resource for finding web developer jobs. You can create a profile on the website and upload your resume to be searchable by potential employers. There are also various job boards that list open positions, and you can apply directly to those that interest you. It can be a great place to find freelance work as a web developer, as you can search through job postings and submit proposals outlining your skills and experience. Make sure you take some time to create an attractive profile that will make you stand out from the competition, and don't be afraid to reach out to potential clients directly if you see a job posting that interests you. Number 3. Freelancer.com. If you're a web developer looking for your next job, Freelancer.com is the place to be. With thousands of freelance jobs available at any given time, we make it easy for you to find work that matches your skills and interests. To start finding jobs on this site, simply head over to the Jobs section and use the filters on the left-hand side to narrow down your search results. You can filter by a category, skill level, country, or project type, among other things. Once you've found a job that looks interesting, take some time to read through the project description carefully and make sure that you understand all of the requirements before bidding on it. If everything looks good, go ahead and submit a proposal. Number 4. Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a great resource for finding freelance work as a web developer. You can find projects to work on and clients to work with, all without having to leave the comfort of your home. Just be sure to set up your profile correctly and offer a good portfolio of past work so you can attract the best clients possible. There are all sorts of jobs posted on the site, from logo design and copywriting to web development and SEO consulting. You can search by category or keyword to find relevant gigs or peruse the latest offerings in your area of expertise. To get started on Fiverr, create a profile with information about your skills and experience. Once it's approved by the site administrators, you can start bidding on jobs that interest you. Keep in mind that there's usually competition for popular gigs, so be prepared to offer competitive quotes if you want to land the job. Number 5. People Per Hour. People Per Hour is a website that connects web developers with clients who need projects completed. In order to use the site, you must create an account and post your information as a freelancer. Clients can then search through the profiles of available freelancers and contact them directly if they are interested in working together on a project. Freelancers can also search for specific types of projects that they would like to work on or browse through popular job postings on the website.